right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too.
Lord have mercy.
We had to take the cow catcher off, and them 2 bolts were a major pain in the butt. But eventually we got them. Do you have enough extensions on there?
Yeah, I'll sit here and hold the nut while you fill.
All right.
See if that works.
Mud, some director you are.
Providing background music. I bet that's gonna be hot too.
You know, Milwaukee wouldn't have done that.
No, Milwaukee would have snapped it right off because they're so good.
Yeah, I'm going to keep saying that until they send us a free one.
Really, that was the purpose of this video.
Did you get that, Milwaukee? Because Milwaukee watches these videos, right?
And if you don't watch his video, watch it. He puts out a really good video.
Time to take the Kenworth emblem off. It still says Kenworth there. Light's gone, air cleaner's gone. Dean's mind is gone.
Well, my mind's about shot too, you know.
The fairing's gone, the hood latch is gone, bug deflector's gone. We have to use a plasma cutter to get the mud flaps off. So Dean's grinding to get a good ground. Oh no. Oh, we still have headlights to take out.
That's what we're working on right now. This in here.
It still says Kenworth behind. The paint is way nicer in behind where them stainless steel.
Okay. I'm going to take the lighter. No. I was just going to grab the light. Oh, you grabbed it, didn't you? I'm just going to grab this one and go to the other side and just see. Oh, no, I'm not.
I'm just taking a little video of Spiff taking off the reflective striping on the back of the cab.
Oh,
shows you how badly it faded. Cutting off the exhaust a little bit there, it's too soft. Just got that one off. Look how badly that one's rusted. This is a passenger side door. And this panel, obviously the truck was red at one time, or this part of the truck was red. There's corrosion around there. I'm gonna try a little sandblasting, see if I can get that down to bare metal. No, I haven't been eating Cheetos. I just started sanding on this. Oh, sanded on the door. Sandblasted down there. That didn't work real well. The dinner special on Fridays is lunch for one. So I'm doing some sanding in different spots in this truck. I'm trying to get rid of all the old red paint, especially on the hood, because it was really bad. Do you want to see a side effect of what that is going, or what that's doing? It's pretty cool. Look at the red tint on this truck. Because yes, I have this truck in here too. But that red dust off the Kenworth makes this truck kind of look pretty cool. Well, I've been sanding on the hood quite a bit here. If you can tell which side I've done. Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of that old paint. It's just not any good. I don't want it to crack. The new paint, you know, to put it on a bad foundation. Hey, look at Louie, cat engine. How did I make you happy? Look at that. It's supposed to be blue. All the Kenworth dust on this Mac. Looks pretty sharp.
Oh, don't you do it.
Yeah, that's a Q-tip. Is that disgusting? Yeah.
Oh, don't you do it.
These mirror brackets. There's one there, one up there, one there. Look how bad these are. Wish I had some new ones. Wow, what's this?
This ain't the right one. I don't know if he was just messing with me.
Spiff's laughing at me. Spiff? Yeah, you're laughing.
Yeah, you're out there.
I am out there. Look at that. New ones.
Yeah, this is going to be harder than I thought it would be.
So Spiff is telling me we need to remember how to take these brackets off. The bend is closer to the cab and it bends up.
That's what I said. Oh.
Well, there's only so much you can sand on a Kenworth. At the end of the day, your hands start vibrating, tingling pretty bad. But I have a little ways to go. I'm just going to continue taking the paint off the hood. I just scuffed the cab. Well, here I am sanding on the Kenworth still. Yeah. Sanding the roof of the Kenworth here. Well, hopefully I quit coming home. Let's see here. Looking like this.
Well aged.
I got a set of wrenches here that we're gonna put on my Amazon store. Just lightly used, only used on Sundays. Dean's modeling it for you. Yeah, so here's the Kenworth. This is that toolbox on the back of it. And there was some tools down in the bottom that have been there for a while. He used the wire wheel and the grinder to clean that one up. Yeah. Yeah. Make your own joke there, huh? A little advertisement for Home Depot here. We were trying to figure out.
Anybody need a colonoscopy?
Not anymore.
Can you add anything, Mother?
Whoa. That's the nut right there Dean's trying to find. Not Jason Doucette nut, but this kind of nut. I'll edit that out, maybe.
Oh my gosh, I was about to forget.
Yeah. I have no idea what this hinge inside the air cleaner on this Kenworth is for, but
And
it's rusted in there. And it's really squeaky. I'm not sure when the last video I took of this hood was, but this Kenworth looks a little different. I don't know if you can see all the mosquitoes. That's what I was trying to capture here, is all these mosquitoes. They're eating me alive this morning while I'm trying to work on this.
Okay, Mother, what can you think of now? She's a making, so I guess that's good. I don't know.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.